The Republic of Mali is a landlocked country in West Africa that gained independence from France in 1960. The Constitution of Mali, adopted in 1992, establishes the framework for the country's political system and guarantees certain rights and freedoms to its citizens. Let's explore some of its key silent features. 1. Democracy and republicanism. The Mali Constitution establishes the country as a democratic and republican state. It emphasizes the principles of popular sovereignty, separation of powers, and the rule of law. 2. Presidential system. Mali follows a presidential system of government, where the president is the head of state and the government, the president, is elected by the people through a direct popular vote for a maximum of 2 terms. 3. Separation of powers. The Constitution provides for the separation of powers among the executive, legislative, and judicial branches of government. This ensures a system of checks and balances, preventing any one branch from becoming too powerful. 4. Fundamental rights and freedoms. The Constitution of Mali guarantees fundamental rights and freedoms to its citizens, such as freedom of expression, association, and assembly. It also protects the rights to life, liberty, and property, and prohibits discrimination based on factors. 5. Multi-party system. The Constitution recognizes the existence of political parties and guarantees the right to form and join political parties. It promotes a multi-party system, encouraging political pluralism and competition. 6. Decentralization. The Constitution promotes decentralization and local governance. It recognizes the importance of local authorities and grants them autonomy in managing local affairs. This ensures greater participation and representation at the local level. 7. Respect for cultural diversity. The Constitution of Mali acknowledges the cultural diversity of the country and promotes respect for different ethnic, religious, and linguistic groups. It recognizes and protects the rights of these groups to preserve and develop. 8. Judicial independence. The Constitution establishes an independent judiciary that serves as a separate and impartial branch of government. It ensures that the judiciary can interpret and apply the law without interference, ensuring access to justice and the protection of individual rights. 9. Social and economic rights. The Constitution recognizes the importance of social and economic rights. It promotes the right to education, healthcare, housing, and employment. It also emphasizes the responsibility of the state to promote social. Thanks for watching this video. And also subscribe Advocate Buzurg Shah channel.